What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to identify weakness, guys. So we're able to short today and make some great money on the short side. And I'm going to show you some tips and tricks of how I can identify at the open with a good probability that we're likely to sell off. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, let's do some shout outs real quick. Anthony, what's going on? Heartstrong, Bill, Briggs, Trading Wars Army, Jay Sosa, Chak, Todd, Fernie, Trading Wars Army, Corey, Hellshock, Hennick, T, Tom, Salin, Johnny, Trading Wars Army. Who else? Alpha, George, Trading Wars Army. Guys, we made some great money today, man. Hit me with a one if you can hear me loud and clear. Ram B, what's going on? Trading Wars Army. All right, guys, let's do this, man. Let's do this right now. Okay. All right. So I'm going to hit the replay today. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, okay? And what I want you to pay attention to is the fibs. The fibs are going to be very, very critical today, all right? So I need you to strap in the seatbelt, and let's get right into this. Okay, so the first thing what we want to do is Monday, we need to draw the low and the high of Monday, okay? So the low was right here, 404.03. So I'm just going to double click here, and I'm going to put this in white, okay? And then I'm just going to copy this, paste this up here, put the high up here as well. So the high was 407.45, and we are going to go ahead and mark those. Okay, so every day you come into the market, what I like to do is mark the high and the low, okay? And what I want to do now is I want to show you a few things. So if we open in the upper end of this range or the lower end of this range, for me, those are two completely different scenarios, okay, as well as in the middle, okay? So the middle is like a no man's land. Whenever we open directly in the middle, I basically assume that it's going to be quite a choppy day, okay? But however, when we open near the high or the low, there's a good chance that we have a directional push. Okay, so if we open near the low, there's a good chance we break this low. If we open near the high, there's a good chance we break this high. So that's what I tell myself when I'm trading every day. Where are we opening? I need to understand where we're opening. And then, on Twitter every day in the morning, I always say, good morning, friends, what we're doing. We're gapping up, we're gapping down, etc. Okay, so hit me with an 11 if that makes sense, first and foremost. So we need to understand where are we opening in this range, okay? So now the second step is our triggers, okay? And then the final step is our fibs. Let's go ahead and get our trigger. So our short level today was 404.35. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in as well. 404.35. Okay. So what is this level? So this level right here, I'm going to put this in red. This is our line in the sand. So the line in the sand means if it breaks this level, if it pierces this level, I want to be short, okay? So we're going to go ahead here now, and we're going to start the day. We're going to go to the 5-minute chart right here. First candle comes in, bang, okay? So right off of the open here, guys, we got filled on the short, and I'm going to go to the Discord, and I'll just show you that real quick. Good morning, friends. Inside open, our short trigger is 404.35. It may fill right at the open, so be ready. So our short trigger got activated, and I took a quick scalp on that, okay, guys? So I took this right back down here, so you could see looking just for a small little few points on futures, and then from there, we start to consolidate. So I paused right here, and I waited to see, okay, is this momentum going to continue short? And then right here, guys, we had this pattern. This right here, guys, this is our trademark Trading Wars pattern. What pattern is this, guys? Hit me with one if you know what pattern this is. This is the Trading Wars Holy Grail. So go ahead, guys, tradingwars.com, go to the resources and add this indicator to your chart if you don't have it, guys. This is one of my most powerful, simple patterns. So we had this right here. Add the golden indicators right there, okay? This right here, my friends, is the Holy Grail. So right here, what we're seeing is if we break the low of this inside bar, we want to short, okay? If we break the high of this inside bar, then we want to go long. So you can see next candle comes in, guys. It breaks the low. There's our short, and then bang. See that there, right, guys? Right through, guys. So that was beautiful. So that one right there, guys, that's a beautiful, beautiful setup. And right there, we had that Holy Grail. Take the short below that inside bar, stop above the high, bang, straight down, guys. Hit me with a 12 if that was beautiful. Okay, so we were leaning towards the short side all morning because we were hovering near the low, and that's a sign of weakness. And also look to the left. look at Monday, we had all of this selling on Monday, right? So now we open near the low. So we say, hey, you know what? The bulls, okay, the bulls are the ones that are in trouble here. And then once we get that flush through, guys, this is what we call a stop run, okay? Hit me with the 15 if that makes, that's a stop run. So look at that. So this is where we have all these stop losses. You know, we had gap fill stop loss. We had previous day's low. We had bulls saying, I'm trying to protect myself. Here's my stop loss. And then the bears come, boom, smash it right there. Cover, 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 cover. Because when the bulls have to cover, they have to sell. So not only do we have the short power, but we also have the bulls covering their losses, stop loss, whang. Okay. So now you say, all right. So you say, hey, Rich, you know what, Rich? I didn't take the entry in the beginning. I didn't. No problem, guys. So what do we do now? Okay, so now we saw this move. This move comes in. So what do we do, guys? We draw the Fibonacci. Okay. So we take our Fibonacci now from our high to our low. And I just want you guys to focus on the 618, okay? So we continue to move this anchor down until we start to retrace. So here's our retracement now. And let me draw our fib. So what we're saying is we're saying, hey, you know what? We missed this initial push, right? But I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to trade like a rookie. And I'm not going to chase down here, okay? I'm not going to chase down here, okay? What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to wait for the pullback so I can get a deal on the puts. Okay, I can get a deal on the puts. So let's go into the Discord, guys. So I'm going to show you this. So we have our new Fibonacci bot. Okay, so you can see right here, we drew up our fib and then our Fibonacci bot took over, guys. I'm going to show you how powerful this is, man. And I'm so proud of what we've been able to accomplish with this bot. So here we go. Here's our pull in there. Boom, boom. Bang, there's our 618 fill. So this comes in at 1035. Our bot right here, 1036, SPY afternoon leg, 618 filled short. So we went here, guys, and we took that short right there. We took that short right here. And then check this out, guys. Bang, 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 boom. See that? Straight through. Beautiful, beautiful push down, guys, into the end of the day. Really, really nice right there. So even if you missed, okay, that initial push down, right? And yes, guys, some obviously, so anytime you see a big move on the chart, they're always going to say it's some kind of catalyst, it's news, it's this and that. There'll always be that. Any day in the stock market, there's a move on the chart. You can go on Google and you can find some reason. What we do here is we trade the price action, okay? Did we have weakness? Yes, we did. Why? Because we opened near the low. Did we have the pattern right before the short? Yes, we had the pattern. These are the things you guys need to start putting this into your control and trade the chart. Forget about what's going on out there. Trade the chart. So there's just your entry, holy grail. Okay, you know what, Rich? I missed it. Not a problem. Okay, then what do? We go into our fibs. Okay, let's go ahead into our fibs right here. Here was the initial high into the low. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. And trust me, a lot of the times with the algorithms, they let the move happen and then they get the pull back because that's when it's the cheapest right there. So you could see right there, guys, SPY afternoon leg, target hit, target hit. All right. And then I'm just going to go to the small account here, TW Dairy. So my brother Dairy in the Discord, he's doing his small account challenge. So this was his post right here. So this was the short he took. Okay. So you could see shorted at 1036, 7 micro contracts, sold it at 1305. Okay. So 105, 1,137. That's not even one full contract, guys. That's a micro contract. That's 7 micros, guys. That's not a full contract. Okay. So really, really nice. So make sure you follow TW Dairy as well, because we post the small account challenge there, guys. So this is an A+. Okay. Really, really nice, guys. Hit me with the 15 if that was good. And then you can see right here, send some hearts for this afternoon leg. Just fantastic. New low of day. And you can see the bot supporting us as well. So that's what we're trying to do. And then the next step, what we're going to try to do is get the bot to actually take the trade on its own. We're going to try to connect the bot to Signal Stack, to different programs, so the bot can take these trades on its own, because right now we still need to put those trades in. But guys, this was a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed the lesson here. That's how you identify weakness. To summarize again, the weakness is we understood that we opened near the low of the previous day. So the bears are still in control. We broke through that low. Even if you didn't get the initial push, guys, we had the Fibonacci, drop our Fibonacci, take the pullback, make sure you get a discount. You don't want to chase, because if you chase, you're going to get burnt. So don't chase, get the pullback. All right. Send me the rockets right now. Send me the rockets if you enjoyed this. Okay. And I just want to do another quick shout out. General Motors today, $1,734. I posted last night right here. It was my number one last night. So we shorted below 40.34. Okay. So make sure you check out General Motors. Check out the Twitter. I'm posting these every single day, and I'm also posting them on YouTube. Okay. So make sure you're subscribed. Hit the like button, and we're changing the game, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and we got you covered. All right. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com, my friends. That's the place to be. And right here, guys, you can sign up right here on the main page if you want access to the Fibonacci bot, etc. I highly recommend, if you're interested, guys, grab a copy of the Fibonacci book. Everything that I just explained there, step by step, is in this book. And initially I drew everything by hand, but we're moving more towards a bot aspect of trading now. Okay, so if you get the book, guys, you get 30 days in the Discord for free, plus my indicators for life. All right. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'm going to do some scans right now. I'm going to post them on the Twitter and the YouTube. So make sure you're subscribed. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Like I said, check out the resources page right here, guys. It has a lot of good content for you. Okay. Really, really good content there. Hey, and that's it, guys. We made a good bit of money today. Monday and Tuesday has been good. And I just want to continue the momentum for the rest of the week. I don't want to put my foot off the gas. If we're going to make, 10, 15K, whatever it is this week, we need to capitalize while the market is hot. Right. And just to give a quick update here on the weekly, I did take a lot of heat for holding my short. A lot of people were, giving me some negativity last week. That's totally fine. Not you guys, obviously not you guys, but the trolls on Twitter. But this is what I was expecting, guys. So we're still selling off this week. And this is a very bearish candle. The week is not over. It's a very bearish candle, guys. Still holding my long-term shorts in here. And I still think we're gonna see a little bit more red before we finish here. All right. Thank you very much, my friends. Appreciate you. Comment, like, subscribe. Giveaways will be this Sunday, so make sure you do leave a comment so you have a chance. Let me know what you guys think about the Fibonacci bot. Yay or nay? Let me know in the comments at the end of the video. Thank you so much for your time. Quick video. That's how you identify weakness. Have a great evening. Take care.